Howdy ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to show you the chicken house again. It's been a little while since we put a video about it, but we've actually got this thing out here in the yard. It's actually leveled up on some brick pavers, and we've got a coat of paint on it, okay? So I'm going to take you on a quick tour around this thing, so stay tuned. Okay friends, hey, first of all, we're just gonna kind of walk around the chicken house here. As you remember, if you've seen the other videos, this big opening right here is gonna be the big clean out door. Let's take a look inside. We actually painted everything in here. The laying boxes will be back here. They'll be blocked off for a while till these chickens are old enough to start laying. Over here, we got a nice sized window that will have a hardware cloth on. Roosting bars, we still got to build the roosting bars that's going to come across here. Right up here, we're going to have a nice big window as well, to where they can get plenty of ventilation. Here's their little door that they'll come in and out of every day, okay? So this is what the inside of their house will look like, okay? And we put several coats of paint. And look over there, there's Nathaniel. He's the biggest chicken of them all. That's awesome. Okay, we put probably like 4 or 5 coats of this stain, but it's like a water-based stain, so it actually was just like a really thin paint. And so it soaked in really good. Let's back off here a minute, and we'll walk on around. Here's our laying boxes right here, and we're gonna have we're gonna put a metal roof up top. Here's the roof. We've even painted it as well. We're gonna put a metal roof. Not sure if I'm gonna do metal or maybe some shingles here, or just some roll roofing or something on this, because this is not gonna lift up. The door, we'll actually make a door that'll open right here, and will give us access to our eggs when they start laying them good old eggs. Down below, folks, if you hadn't seen, this is going to be the one run area, 35 square foot run area. This is the other side of the chicken coop with that window there. Let's go on around. And there will be a door here that will be it'll be a door, but it'll have wire mesh where we can see in here just about as well as we can see right now. So we'll come here, we'll open the door in the morning, and then we'll probably open the door here and let the chickens out. Or we might actually, this whole run and house and everything will be predator proof. It shouldn't be anything smaller than a 1/2 inch square be able to get into this thing. You know, a small snake might be able to get in here, but he's that little, he's gonna end up being chicken feed anyway. And so we're gonna we may even just leave the door, no door, you know, to this part of the run. They should be smart enough to get up in their house at night, because there'll be roosting bars there. But anyway, we got a little deck here where they can hop out onto the deck, and they can come right down their little staircase here, and then they got a board right down here, and they can hop right on off and into their little run, okay? Then we'll have another door that will lead into probably a tunnel that we will bring them over here into their 10 foot by 10 foot pen. And this is where they spend their days at anyway. We got to go get them out here in just a little bit, let them have fun. But they love this area. Hopefully they'll spend most of their time during the day there, and then we'll tunnel them back to their main coop here at night. Now, if you're noticing here, you see a big old thing of black tar goopy stuff there. That's some leftover stuff where I put it on the foundation of my garage a few years ago. And what we did here, when we set this thing down and we leveled up these corners here, we jacked it up, and we put a thorough coating of that black tar stuff on top of that paver, and we gooped it underneath that post, so it's got that stuff so it can't wick up moisture into that treated lumber. That should prolong the life of that lumber as well. So pretty cool little thing. We still got some work to do before the hens and Dale can move in. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you, oh, sorry, my finger got in the way. We got soffit vent right here, okay? I put a piece on this end and a piece on the other end so that the roof actually can get some ventilation as well. As you see, it's right underneath here. The roof can get some ventilation. There'll be some airflow that can pull up through here and come out through the top, at the very top. And the reason I wanted to do that, I didn't want to leave it just totally open, because then a snake could actually find his way into there. But he'd be a really small snake to get through that little vent right there. So folks, that's where we're at right now. I want to thank you for stopping by today. We're going to go ahead and release this video today, and we're going to continue working on it. The rain is coming. It's actually starting to get windy today, so I'm not sure if we're going to get much done today or tomorrow. We may have just to throw the tarp back over it and get on it when we can, when the weather's better. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.